How to fix Windows Security blank screen error in Windows 11. If your Windows Security app shows a blank screen in Windows 11 or 10, here are some steps to fix it. So first is to reset Windows Security app. So to do that, go ahead and open your Windows settings. You can do that by clicking on WinI on your keyboard, and this would open up settings. So on settings, go ahead and head over into the apps tab and look for installed apps, and then inside it, look for Windows Security. And then once you have found Windows Security, go ahead and open it up and look for advanced options. Now from there, click on reset or repair to refresh the app. Another thing you can do is reinstall via PowerShell. So if resetting does not work, open PowerShell as administrator. So go ahead and open up PowerShell as an administrator. So right click on it on the search result, and then you'll find this run as administrator button. Now from here, go ahead and enter the command get appx package Microsoft.sec health UI all users reset appx package. This reinstalls the Windows Security interface. Another thing you can do is to run system file checker. So to do that, you need to open up command prompt. So search for CMD and then click on this run as administrator to run command prompt as an administrator. Now from here, you run sfc/scan now. This repairs corrupted system files that may cause the blank screen. Another thing you can do is to use the DISM tool. Next, run the DISM tool with DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health. This restores Windows system health. Lastly, what you can do is to update Windows. So on your settings, look for Windows Update and install the latest updates. Microsoft often releases patches for bugs like this. And that is how to fix Windows Security blank screen error in Windows 11 or 10.